In today's Dr. C's Tips video, we're talking about tips that can help you live in the moment. You know, we're human. At the end of the day, it's so easy to get caught up in things that have happened to us, whether it was, a recent breakup, a breakup that happened even years ago, or to get caught up in what's to happen in the future, whether that's personally or professionally, like when are you gonna have kids, when are you gonna get married, thinking about a trip that you wanna have happen, but you don't know if it will. The problem with all of this is that you're preventing yourself from being in the right now and in the moment. And the reason why this is such a problem is because you're almost preventing yourself from being the happiest and being the best version of yourself. Because guess what? The only moment that we actually have control over is the right now and in the moment. So how about instead, now I know this is no easy task, and I hope the tips in this video help you learn how to be more present in your life, but to only look back at the past when it's going to help you learn a lesson, okay? If it's not going to help you learn anything, then you have to leave it behind and learn to accept it, okay? And when it comes to the future, only think about, okay, well, this is a goal that I want to achieve in the future. So right now, I need to plan steps that are going to help me get to what it is that I want to achieve, whether that's relationship-wise, friend-wise, or work-wise. But as I just said, this is no easy task, and this is going to require daily practice. Just like you had to learn how to ride a bike and it took a lot of effort, this is gonna take a lot of effort because at the end of the day, we're on autopilot and these thoughts just come and go as they are, and we, most of the time, aren't even paying attention to them. So let's go into the first tip. So the first tip is all about awareness. At the end of the day, you need to know where you are. So I don't mean just where your body's at, I mean, where's your head? So throughout your day, ask yourself, where am I right now? Did you ever think that your body is always present and in the now, even though our head can always be wandering and somewhere totally else? So that's the first tip. Be aware of where your head is. So for the second tip, it's to utilize your 5 senses. Why? Well, your 5 senses are what's going to help you be in the moment and help you be with where your body's at the end of the day. So, asking yourself, what do you see? Is the sky blue? Are you outside? Is it raining? What do you smell? Is someone cooking? What do you smell? Do you smell something really nice? What are you hearing? Is there a lot of traffic, noise around you, or is it pretty silent? What do you feel? Are you sitting on a chair? Are you at work? Or are you on your bed? So try to use your 5 senses to help bring your head back to your body. And doing that exercise is pretty tough, so try to practice this before you use it in the real world. So set a timer for about 60 seconds each night before bedtime, and use those 60 seconds to practice everything that you're hearing, feeling, etc. with your senses. And it's okay if your mind wanders during this entire exercise. Just when you're here, try to tell yourself that there's no concept of next. There's no next event. There's no next deadline. It's just about the now. It's totally normal to experience emotions and thoughts while you're trying to be in the here and now. We're human after all. So here's an example. Say you're practicing these exercises and you're trying to be in the here and the now, and then bam, a thought comes across your mind saying, I forgot to do the laundry, I'm such an idiot, I always forget. So instead of just dismissing this thought entirely, instead try to acknowledge the thought and then resolve it before going back. The thing is, we want to do this in a non-judgmental and objective way. And the reason why we want to do that is because judgments are often misinterpretations of an event or a situation or whatever it may be. So we want to only focus on the facts. And that's why I say objective. So let's go back to this example. So when this thought comes across your mind, ask yourself, okay, am I judging myself? Is this always true? In this situation, it's okay that you forgot your laundry. At the end of the day, people make mistakes. So instead, you can take all of this and you can replace this thought with, It's okay, I forgot to do the laundry. People make mistakes. I'm gonna go do that right after I finish this exercise. This is gonna help you be in the here and now, and it's gonna help you be a little bit happier because you're going to be acknowledging any judgments that you may have and working on them, which hopefully at the end of the day is gonna make you a happier and better you at the end of the day. Well, I hope this exercise helps you be in the moment. And as always, thank you so much for watching and following along. Don't forget to hit subscribe right over here, and you can check out some of my other Dr. C's tips video over here. Don't forget to leave that thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me what you liked or on any ideas you'd like to see for future videos. I'll see you guys soon.